Hi, right now I'm going to walk you through on how to use the Outbounders dialer. Now before you can use the dialer, you will need to first download and install Zoiperphone. So from the dashboard, go down to this tutorial box and click Dialer Requirements. Once you're on this page, you will see two links where you can download Zoiperphone. Click one of the links and start downloading. Once Zoiperphone is downloaded and you have extracted the file for installation, don't be alarmed if you can't find Zoiperphone anywhere on your computer. All it is a browser plugin that will enable you to connect with the Outbounders dialer. So now we're going to go back to the dashboard. So in order to access the dialer, click on the phone icon in the upper right portion of the dashboard. The page will automatically load to the Agent Dialer interface. From here, click Call Agent Web Phone. This is a time where you should hear a voice prompt saying that you are the only person in this conference. The timer duration should continue to run from the moment you logged in until the moment you logged out. The mic volume indicator and the speaker volume indicator should both be working properly in the process. Now if one of these are not working, that means your Zoiperphone is not fully connected due to bad internet connection. Now bad internet connection can mean a few things. It can mean that your internet is slow, it can mean that you have a bad connection with the router, or you're experiencing some packet losses. Now in this case, you need to re-log in again in order to refresh the page. If this still won't work, reinstall Zoiperphone and do a reboot of your system including the modem and the router, and then re-log in again. And if all of this doesn't work, please send a ticket immediately to Outbounders.com or contact our customer service representatives. Once everything is working properly, you're ready to use the dialer. Here's VisiDial. VisiDial is a software that is designed to interact with your phone system, and in this case Zoiperphone, in order to make inbound-outbound calls. And all call options should be handled on VisiDialer and not on Zoiperphone. We also encourage that you use a USB headset and have a DSL connection. Our dialer has the ability to do auto-predictive dialing and manual dialing. Auto-predictive dialing is used when there are leads uploaded onto the dialer. All you have to do is hit resume right here. And by the way, gray is activated, green means it's off. So all you have to do is hit resume and let the dialer automatically call the leads that have been uploaded. Once a customer answers, the call will automatically come in and the lead's information will be populated in the dialer interface. Right now I'm going to quickly walk you through on how to use auto-predictive dialing. Now to activate auto-predictive dialing, just click resume and the calls should start coming in, including the customer information. And then once you're done, another call will start coming in. And that's how it works. In manual dialing, there are no leads uploaded on the dialer. You need to input the number in dialer. To manual dial, you should be on pause. So we're going to be on pause, and then click manual dial. Here's where you input the 10-digit number. In Australia, it would probably be 9 digits. This is excluding country codes. Now click dial now. And that's how you manual dial. Now you can edit input, delete the information in the dialer interface except for the phone number. Now, a comment box is also present for notes and additional information. Dialer can also interact with interactive voice response by using DTMF tone functions. For instance, if a voice prompt says 0 for operator and you want to get the operator, right here input 0 and then click send DTMF, and it should take you right there. The dialer also has the ability to transfer calls. Once a live call has been established, as indicated by this green live call title, you have two options that are made available to you. You can park the call, which is simply putting a call on hold, and then you can unhold it by clicking grab parked call. You can also transfer a call by clicking transfer conference. Once you click this, the transfer conference function box will appear. Now, to make a warm transfer, simply put the number in number to call box and then click dial with customer. Now, these three options, hang up transfer line, which will hang up on the line that you transfer to, hang up both lines, which will hang up on both the lines that you transferred to and the line that you were on previously. And you can leave three-way call by leaving the call and leaving the call you transferred to and the call that you had previously still connected. To make a cold transfer, simply put the number in the number to call box and then click blind transfer. For local closer, you would click down on the drop down arrow beside local closer. Now, if a local transfer is being set, the drop down selection will appear. Now, what you do is you would select the local transfer group, then click local closer. Here's D1, D2, D3, D4, and D5. These are transfer number options that, if set on the campaign settings, by clicking it, it will let you transfer to a number automatically and have it appear on the number to call box. So once the call is over and you want to hang up, simply click hang up customer, select a call disposition, we'll say answer machine, and that is how to make a call during your shift. So once your shift is over, be sure to properly log out the dialer before closing the web browser so that the time log will properly stop.